What is time? Time is a dimension that defines the sequence and duration of events. It provides a framework for measuring the passage of moments and allows us to organize and comprehend the order of occurrences. Time encompasses the past, present, and future, shaping our perception of the universe and the unfolding of existence. Time, the enigmatic nature that governs our lives, has intrigued humanity for ages. As we measure its passing, we question whether it is an illusion or an intrinsic element of the universe. Exploring the depths of this captivating topic reveals the interplay between our perception, quantum mechanics, and the fabric of space-time. Welcome back, fellow explorers, to your channel BrainIt. Today, we're diving into a mind-boggling topic that has fascinated scientists and philosophers for centuries: the nature of time. Is time an illusion, or does it have a fundamental role in the universe? Let's find out. We often think of time as something we can measure, like seconds ticking away on a clock. But is that the whole story? Some scientists propose that time might be more than just a ticking clock. They suggest that time could be an illusion, a construct of our minds. In the realm of quantum physics, we've discovered some strange phenomena. It challenges our traditional understanding of time. According to quantum mechanics, time might be emergent, a product of the interactions between particles. Wow! So, if time is an illusion, what does that mean for our everyday lives? Does it mean we can bend and manipulate time, like in the movies? Well, not exactly. While we don't have DeLorean time machines just yet, the idea of time being an illusion doesn't necessarily mean we can change the past or future. It suggests that our perception of time might be subjective, influenced by factors like gravity and motion. To understand this further, let's dive into the concept of space-time. Imagine a wall represents the fabric of space. Time, where time is intricately woven into the very essence of the universe. Gravity, as Einstein proposed, is not just a force but a curvature of space-time caused by mass. It means that massive objects like stars and planets can influence the flow of time around them. This phenomenon, known as time dilation, is mind-blowing. Time dilation means that time can pass differently depending on where you are or how fast you're moving. It might sound like science fiction, but it has been observed and measured in experiments involving high-speed particles and even GPS satellites. While time dilation shows that time can be relative, it doesn't necessarily mean time is an illusion. Time plays a fundamental role in our everyday lives. We schedule appointments, celebrate birthdays, and watch the seasons change. But here's the fascinating part: scientists are still exploring the true nature of time. Some theories propose that time might be interconnected with other fundamental aspects of the universe, like quantum entanglement and the fabric of space itself. In conclusion, the question of whether time is an illusion or has a fundamental role in the universe is an intriguing and complex puzzle. While some theories propose that time might be subjective or emergent from the quantum realm, it remains an essential element in our daily lives and our understanding of the cosmos. As we strive to unravel the mysteries of the universe, let us embrace the wonder and awe that time evokes and continue to explore the depths of this captivating phenomenon. That's all for today, explorers. Remember, whether time is an illusion or a fundamental part of the universe, it remains a fascinating topic that fuels our curiosity. Join me again next time as we embark on another exciting journey of discovery. Until then, keep exploring, questioning, and never stop wondering about the mysteries of the universe. Remember, time is what we make of it, so let's make every second count. And please like, share, and subscribe our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell, so that it will keep you updated whenever we upload a video, and you can also check other videos on our channel which are very interesting and fascinating. Once again, thank you very much for watching this video.